excellent performance. When you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Karule Campus and Kabalagala, due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
I've come to work for the most vulnerable ministry, which has 75% of the population of Uganda. Just you could be aware, out of that 70%, only 13 or 17% are skilled. The rest, 83% are not skilled. And then this very ministry, among those youth, almost 52% or 51% of those young girls have been married or they are divorced, either early marriage or late marriage, but they are struggling with life. Then, still among those same youth, they are unemployed. So my discussion yesterday with the president at Chisos, he gave me 4 guidelines and assignments. He said, you go and carry out what we call transformation. The transformation you are going to do is simple. You may not have the money, but let people have the knowledge of what is required to be done. He gave an example of a village in Chisos, 9 villages in Chisos, where he met them living in a bush style. As of now, when I looked at an average income of that, the 9 villages is about 15 billion. What did he do? He gave them a heifer. Others received chicken, others received matoke, and they are doing it on 3, 4, 5 acre model. So his acre model, 4 acre model came from that very village. So you look at a young lady, a villager there, she has 1 acre of coffee. She earns close to 7 million. He said, does that require a lot of money from the bank? He said, no, what we need now is to establish nurseries where we can grow coffee. These young people who have their ancestral land can go and grow coffee. They will end up earning a living. Then also the president told me I should focus on patriotism. And this is what I've been doing. I told him, sir, I'm a patriot. You met me in PLU, which is a patriotic league of Uganda. First of all, it's not a political party. It's a civic organization agitating for love for country. Our focus has been love for country. And then he said, please, the anti-corruption crusade should proceed. He doesn't want to hear me that I've shared money in the ministry, I've done ABCD, I'm conniving with the Yellow to eat the youth fund. So he doesn't want that, and I pledge to do that. This ministry, when we talk about it, I've had my sister so many challenges, but almost the same challenges I keep facing every day. I'm not a minister, I've not been a minister, I've never worked in government, but I've been working as a minister of Uganda. Someone called me at midnight, I said, my child has been sent home, they need shoelaces, we need 36,000, you are the minister of children. Then another one called me and said, I'm a youth, I'm getting married, I'm in Butareja. They have asked for 5 cows. They have asked for 5 cows. So I said, also I need, I think, a whole ranch to maintain the day. And then now the youth leader of Kampala, she wants haifa. So it's a people ministry. And it is annoying when they don't give you money. You need money. This ministry needs money. But I think the president needs to know that.
That I can never forget is the day when we have Youth Day. If you want pressure, that is the day. You know that you have a Youth Day on 12 August and there are no funds. And the youth are telling you, we want council. Council must happen. And you have nowhere to get the money. So since you have you've been a businessman, maybe you'll be lending them that these things happen. You know? These are things that have been happening. The first time I entered here, the first celebrations of Youth Day, were in Kololo celebrating and some of the youth were in CPS. Imagine that stage. You're celebrating in Kololo, others are in CPS. I was seated in Kololo wondering, these people's children have slept in CPS. And of course after the function I had to come and remove them. So those are the people you're going to meet. I know you will handle them. I know you will handle them. What is important is to be patient with them and you listen. Don't come with a tough hand. Some will insult you, some will just listen. I told them that I was also once a youth and I think I used to do such. I remember I was in a university and I made a coup. I checked the guild place, I said now exactly what I used to do. Exactly what is coming back to me. So just know how to balance it. I just want to present you the notes to enable you to understand the functionality of the ministry and also help you to internalize the aspects of gender, labor and social development for your political oversight. The Minister of State for Gender, Labor and Social Development in charge of youth and children directly supervises the Department of Youth and Children Affairs and oversees the issues related to youth and children. The Minister's duty is to ensure
of what she has done, and we are all witnesses to her great job. Honorable Sarah oversaw the rehabilitation of Mubutongole Youth Skills Training Center in Kasese, construction of a national remand home, the informal vocational skills training for the youth in Chao, that is Mukono district, and Koblin, Napak district. The approval of the strategy for the prevention of early marriages and teenage pregnancies in Uganda. The promotion of the well-being of children across the country. You were the chair of the Commonwealth Youth Ministers in 2 consecutive years. I think you mentioned about them only, forgot about the minister. The minister was also up there chairing the Commonwealth thing. So I think the youth under your leadership has really achieved a lot of milestones, and also to recognize that at least we held the youth days. All the national days were held despite whatever challenges we had, but at least we had celebrations. So, youth meaning 5 years, did you do that? Not for us. It is not easy, but I think we did it. With all this, you now qualify to be a consultant for the youth and children's affairs in Uganda and the world at large. And I recognize